Is your Tableau dashboard looking a bit cluttered and confusing with all those filters apply? Let's add a simple Clear Filters button to instantly reset everything and give your users a clean slate. First, open the Tableau workbook or dashboard you want to modify. Look at the Filters pane on the left side of your screen. You'll probably see your quick filters listed there. Now, head up to the top menu and click on Analysis. A drop-down menu will appear. Find and select the Filters option within the Analysis menu. Another drop-down menu will appear. Click Clear Filters, select the option for Create Button. Tableau will automatically create a button labeled Clear Filters and add it to your dashboard. You can drag it to place it where it looks best on your dashboard. Now, when users click this button, all the filters on the dashboard will instantly reset to their original default settings. This provides a user-friendly way to explore the data from a fresh perspective. And that's it. A simple, effective way to improve your dashboard usability and give your users more control over their data exploration in Tableau. Don't forget to save your work. Happy analyzing!